Hi, my name's Ursula global hairstylist for Fenty Hair.
Hi, I'm Justine Marjan, global hairstylist for Fenty Hair.
So me and Justine have two different hair types, but what they do have in common is the need for heat protection. So today we're going to show you how we use our protective type to achieve a silk press and a bouncy blowout.
This product is perfect for all hair types because it's a true multitasking blowout cream.
So we cleansed Ayomide's hair using the Fenty Hair, the Rich One shampoo, and followed it with the Richer One deep conditioner.
We cleansed Carlo with the Rich One shampoo from Fenty Hair and then used the Comeback Kid, a professional grade bond repairing treatment instead of conditioner. So this is a 5-in-1 multitasker that repairs, protects, and restores shine while nourishing the hair. So that's why it's great to use on all hair types. So I use about a quarter size dollop and I'm gonna work through my hands and then bring it through her ends and then slowly bring it up towards the top of her head.
So I'm gonna apply the protective type in section because my client has coilier hair. So I wanna really get an even distribution. It really helps to detangle, soften, hydrate, and it's so lightweight, it kind of like disappears into the hair. So you don't have to worry about it, being too heavy or competing with other products in the hair.
I love this product before every blowout. It helps to nourish and thicken the strand, so it really supports a bouncy blow dry.
I have already blow dried and flat ironed at least 3/4 of Ayabudi's hair, and it looks shiny, it feels soft, it's smooth. That's called body.
So we have rough dried Carla's hair, so it's about 80% dry. So we're just gonna blow dry around the round brush to get a really bouncy blow dry.
So the method that I'm doing right now is called the chase method. It just really helps that flat iron to slide through the hair and for you to really get through those ends so you have ultimate straightness. See what's happening?
Once Carla's hair feels dry, I'm gonna go in with my Velcro rollers and then I'll just repeat this pattern all through her hair.
Now I'm just gonna grab my smaller flat iron to really get to the hairline, which usually has shorter hairs, finer hair, so you wanna get a little closer. Straight, smooth, shiny, movable. That's very important.
So we have Carla's hair in our gorgeous Velcro roller set and her hair feels cool to the touch now. So we're just gonna go ahead and release the rollers. And when I release them, I kind of like to twist the roller as I release to just support that fluffy blown out look. So now that all of the rollers are out, I'm just kind of using my hands to break up her hair texture. And I'm just loving, look at this volume.
I can't even see it, but I feel there's
totally
body happening.
So much volume from the protective type, and I just love how it supported that blowout. It really gives the great foundation to any blow dry, and it's what I love to use before all of my blow dries. It also has the 5-in-1 benefit, so as much as I'm getting this volume and gorgeous hold that'll last, she's also getting the hair repairing benefits that's gonna moisturize and keep her hair healthy.
There we have it, guys. 2 different hair types, 1 product.
Look at this volume and body
And shine and movement.
Shop Fenty Hair now at Sephora.com.